Place an empty acrylic paint tube. Cover the paper under the neck of the tube with fatty cream. And squeeze out hot glue as if it pours out straight from the tube onto the table. Paint the hardened hot glue in the same color as the paint in the tube. Take the glue off the paper when the paint dries. Blondie puts the paint onto her friend's table. How will this clean freak react? Curly Sue is shocked. How can she deal with this paint spill? It doesn't fit into her neat picture of the world. Calm down, you perfectionist. This paint is not real. It's just a prank. I will make a festive avocado variation for Blondie. Cut an avocado in half and remove the seed. Put in sprinkles instead and connect the halves using toothpicks. Blondie adores avocado. There is going to be a feast for the stomach. But why is it so hard to cut into? There is definitely something wrong with this avocado. The seed has turned into colored sprinkles. Maybe it's a special festive issue for an everyday tropical party? My friend looks at it for a long time, but never dares to taste it. I am fond of drawing. I'd hate to see someone taking my school supplies without my permission. But my friend keeps taking my marker all the time, so it's never on hand when I need it. In addition to this, she leaves the marker without the cap. It dries out quicker this way. But I know what to do. I announce a marker protecting operation. Cover a green marker with air-dry clay. Shape long ribs with your fingers. Transform the clay into a cactus. Shape 2 smaller pieces of the clay into thick sprouts. Attach them to the plant. Let the clay dry. Mix green, yellow, and blue acrylic paint and color the cactus. Plant the cactus into a flower pot. Stick the marker into the ground, adding some more soil to hide the marker. I put the cactus marker onto my desk. Curly Sue comes to take a marker, but she doesn't get anything. She'll never know that my green prickly friend is actually just an undercover marker. Blondie wants to give her friend a present, but Curly Sue is not happy to see rice. This is not exactly what she would like to get. Dig deeper. Your gift is on the bottom. Put a present into a craft paper bag. Tie it with a ribbon and wrap tightly in plastic wrap. Put the gift into a container of an appropriate size and put rice with vegetables on top. Close the container and tie it up with a bright ribbon. Curly Sue finds her present at last. It is wrapped well. Not even a seed of rice has gotten inside. Blondie's come up with this multifunctional gift. It's both lunch and a purse. Curly Sue can't get enough of her laptop. That's the limit. She might get addicted to being online. Plus, this harmful radiation emitted by the device. I just can't let my friend ruin her health. When Curly Sue goes away, I swap her laptop with a safe, eco-friendly paper one. Trace a laptop on thick cardboard. Cut it out and fold it in half. Draw buttons with a black marker. Attach black paper to the top. Attach a printed out system error window to the screen. Cut a circle out of white paper and draw a logo on it. What is it? A cardboard laptop? Well, it's actually a new eco-friendly model. At least it doesn't harm your eyesight and health. And it is easy to recycle. The truth is that it hardly has any functions. On the other hand, you can save so much electricity and Wi-Fi. Did you like our pranks? Then write in your comments how you are going to prank your friends next time. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny pranks on the Troom channel.